Question number 1. 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, then we have to find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Let the number of boys be x and the number of girls be y. So according to the question, number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. So we should write y equal to x plus 4. This is equation 1. And also the number of students in the class was 10. So x plus y equal to 10. Equation y equal to x plus 4. So this is equation 1. From equation 1 we can plot the table which satisfy this equation. So let us plot the table like this. X, y. We are getting 3 values. So if we put minus 2 at the place of x, then we get 2. If we place minus 5 at the place of x, then we get y as minus 1. Similarly, if we place 1 at the place of x, then we get value of y as 5. So this is equation 1. From second equation, the second equation is x plus y equal to 10. So it is very easy to plot the table for this equation. Again we'll do like this. X, y, we are getting 3 values. If we put x as 5 and y as 5, then it satisfies the second equation. This is the second equation. The second value 3 and 7, and the third one is 4 and 6. Now on the graph paper, this one is x-axis and this one is y-axis. This is called horizontal axis, this one is called vertical axis. So from first equation, the value of x is minus 2. Here it is, the value of x is minus 2 and the value of y is 2 and the value of y is 2. So minus 2 and 2. This point represent x as minus 2 and y as 2. The next one is minus 5 and minus 1. So the value of x is minus 5 and the value of y is minus 1. So this point represent minus 5, minus 1. And the third value is the value of x is 1 and the value of y is 5. The value of x is 1 and the value of y is 5. So this point. So these 3 points represents equation, the first equation, that is y equal to x plus 4. Now we join these 3 points. All the points contains on the same line. We can write also the equation anywhere on the line y equal to x plus 4. Now we should come to the next equation. The next equation is x plus y equal to 10. Now the value of x is 5 and the value of y is also 5. So the value of x is 5 and the value of y is 5. So this one is the value of y as 5, x is 5. So this is the point which represent x as 5 and y as 5. The next is x is 3 and y is 7. X is 3 and y as 7. So this one will be the point. And the third one is the value of x is 4 and the value of y is 6. The value of x is x is 4. X is 4 and the value of y is 6. So this one. You can easily see that all these 3 points lie on the same line and this line intersects. This line, we can also write the equation anywhere on the line x plus y equal to 10. We can easily see that both the lines intersect at a point. And what are the coordinates of that point? So the value of x is 3 and y is 7. X as 3 and y as 7, as both the lines intersect at that point. So we can say that number of girls in that class was 7 and the number of boys was 3. Question number 2. On comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equations intersect at a point, are parallel or coincident. So the first question is 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0, and the second equation is 7x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. Here we can see that A1 by A2 is equal to 5 by 7 and B1 by B2 is equal to minus 4 by 6. As we can easily see that these ratios are not equal, and we know that if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then graphically we can say that the given pairs of linear equation will intersect at a point. Rest of the problems of question number 2 can easily be solved by comparing the ratios. Before starting question number 3, let us recall that if a given pair of linear equations in two variables has unique solution or infinite solutions, then it is called consistent pair of equations. If it is not so, I mean if the given system of equation has no solution at all, it is called inconsistent pair of equations. So once again, in question number 3, on comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. So the equation is 2x minus 3y minus 8 equal to 0 and 4x minus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. Here we can see that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. So this system of equation will have no solution. It is inconsistent pair of equation. Similarly, we can solve the rest of the questions of this exercise. So in the next video we will solve the exercise 3.3.